How I automated client work and doubled my income. When I first started managing clients, I was overwhelmed. Endless emails, project updates, content creation, scheduling calls, and follow-ups consumed every hour of my day. While I loved helping clients and delivering results, I realized I was stuck in operational tasks rather than building my business. That's when I discovered AI automation. By automating client work, I saved hours every day, drastically improved efficiency, and ultimately doubled my income. This guide shares my step-by-step journey and actionable strategies. Step 1. Analyze your workload. The first step is to understand where your time is going. I tracked every task I performed for clients over a week, everything from answering emails to creating reports. I discovered that the majority of my time was spent on repetitive tasks that could be automated. This analysis was eye-opening. I was working long hours but not on high-value activities that actually grew my business. Step 2. Identify repetitive tasks. Once I tracked my work, I identified the tasks that were repetitive and time-consuming. These included responding to routine client emails, scheduling meetings and calls, generating weekly or monthly reports, creating social media content and graphics, tracking project deadlines and progress, and sending follow-ups and reminders. By pinpointing these tasks, I could focus automation efforts where they would save the most time and have the greatest impact on my income. Step 3. Choose the right AI tools. Automation only works when you choose the right tools. I researched and tested various AI solutions to handle different aspects of client work effectively. For email management, AI assistants like Gmail AI and Spark AI drafted, categorized, and responded to messages automatically. Content creation was streamlined using ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, which generated blog posts, reports, and social media content quickly. Project management tools such as Trello, ClickUp, and Asana offered automation features to track tasks and deadlines efficiently. Scheduling was handled by AI tools like Calendly and X.ai, eliminating manual back and forth for calls and meetings. Selecting reliable, easy-to-integrate tools that required minimal supervision was crucial for building seamless, effective automation workflows. Step 4. Create automated workflows. After selecting the right tools, I built workflows to automate every task. Client emails were automatically categorized, with AI drafting responses for standard inquiries while only unusual requests required my review. Weekly reports were pulled directly from project management tools, formatted automatically, and sent to clients without any manual effort. Social media content was generated by AI, quickly reviewed, and scheduled across multiple platforms, while reminders and follow-ups were triggered automatically. By connecting these tools into seamless workflows, I was able to manage multiple clients simultaneously without increasing my workload, maintaining efficiency and consistency across all operations. Step 5. Test and refine. Automation isn't perfect on the first try. I spent time testing each workflow, monitoring AI outputs, and refining rules. This ensured that quality remained high and client expectations were met. For instance, AI-generated content often needs minor edits to match the client's brand voice. Testing and refinement helped me build workflows that were both reliable and scalable. Step 6. Free time for high-value work. Once routine tasks were automated, I suddenly had hours of free time each week. Rather than spending it on repetitive work, I focused on upselling additional services to existing clients, acquiring new clients and projects, enhancing my skills to offer higher value solutions, and engaging in strategic planning to grow my business. This shift from manual execution to high-impact, high-value work not only increased my income but also accelerated the overall growth and scalability of my business. Step 7. Scale client work without hiring. Before automation, adding clients meant longer hours or hiring additional staff. After automation, I could take on more clients without increasing my workload. The workflows handled repetitive tasks, while I focused on strategy and client satisfaction. This allowed me to scale operations efficiently and increase revenue significantly. Step 8. Real results. Doubling my income. After automating client work, the impact on daily operations was transformative. Email responses that once took 2 hours a day were reduced to just 15 minutes, freeing significant time for higher priority tasks. Weekly client reports, which previously required manual data gathering and formatting, became fully automated, delivering accurate insights without any effort. Social media content creation and scheduling, which used to take hours per client, now took less than 1 hour per week, while project tracking, follow-ups, and task reminders were entirely managed by AI systems. By reclaiming over 20 hours each week, I was able to onboard more clients, expand service offerings, and focus on strategic growth initiatives. The result was remarkable. My income doubled within a few months, all without the additional stress or risk of burnout that comes from overextending manually. Step 9. Lessons learned from automation. Automation doesn't replace quality. AI handles routine tasks, but human oversight ensures client satisfaction. Start small. Automate one workflow at a time and gradually expand. Track results. Monitor time saved, revenue growth, and client satisfaction to understand the impact. Focus on high-value work. Use free time to upsell services, acquire new clients, and improve strategy. These lessons are critical for anyone wanting to grow a freelance business or agency. Step 10. The future of client work. AIAutomation is no longer optional, it's essential for anyone managing multiple clients. Manual processes limit growth, reduce efficiency, and create burnout. By implementing AI tools, professionals can scale client work, improve quality, and maximize income while reducing stress. The combination of AI efficiency and human expertise is the key to long-term success. Work smarter, grow faster. Automating client work transformed my business. Tasks that once consumed hours were completed in minutes, allowing me to focus on revenue-generating activities. By identifying repetitive tasks, selecting the right AI tools, building workflows, testing and refining, and scaling effectively, I doubled my income while improving client satisfaction. If you want step-by-step tutorials on automating client workflows, using tools like N8N, or even starting your own AI automation agency, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit like if this inspired you, and comment below, what client task would you automate first? I'll see you in the next video, where we uncover even more AI strategies that actually increase revenue.